Now, what does this have to do with us as Muslims, one may ask? Well, it is simple. As Muslims, we believe that we are created for the worship of Allah, that the main purpose and objective of our creation is to worship our Creator, Allah, in accordance with what He has legislated, which is the religion of Al-Islam, in accordance with the understanding of the Salaf of this Ummah, who are the companions of the Messenger of Allah, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and those who followed them, and the two following generations up until this time, or up until the end of time. As Allah says in Surah Al-Dhariyat, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. And I did not create the jinn or mankind except to worship me. This means that we are servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we are not free to want or desire whatever it is that agrees with our intellects and our desires. Rather, we as humans are deficient in our intellect and weak when it comes to controlling our desires. As Allah says in Surah An-Nisa, verse 28, يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ أَن يُخَفِّفَ عَنْكُمْ وَخُلِقَ الْإِنسَانُ ضَعِيفًا. Allah wishes to lighten the burden for you, and man was created weak. Therefore, as servants of Allah, we have been created to serve Him and use all the faculties that He has blessed us with and every limb in our body to obey Him while we are living on this earth, and we are obligated to be pleased with that as our life on this earth, and we are to hate disobeying Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are to obey Him in how we speak, in how we dress, in how we eat and drink, and what we eat and drink, in how we behave and act in public and in private, in how we love and hate, and whom we love and hate. That we fulfill every obligation to the best of our abilities, and that we abstain from indulging in, promoting, practicing, believing, supporting, defending, calling to, advising with, and encouraging anything that earns His wrath and His punishment in this life and the next. We are not free, and there is no such thing as unrestricted freedom in Islam. Unrestricted freedoms and rights whose sources are not what the Lord of the worlds has legislated is a concept that belongs to philosophies and doctrines that remove Allah from the picture altogether, such as liberalism, secularism, democracy, capitalism, Marxism, communism, feminism, socialism, and just about every other ism you can imagine, all of whom have a goal to throw you into the pits of atheism and apostasy. May Allah protect us from such an ending.